Bobby.
Hello! Hello, YouTube. Today we're shooting revolvers, and I thought, let's bring this, because it's my favorite. Dad, show YouTube yours.
Okay.
That's Dad's revolver, and today we're going to be shooting them. So who wants to, you want to shoot yours first?
No, you can go ahead and shoot yours, buddy.
Okay. Again, like last time, you open it up like that, then you put your bullets in. Mine and Dad's can only fit 6. Wait, that time I heard a little bit of metal.
There you go.
I think I hit it, YouTube! Yeah! Am I almost out? I think I'm almost out.
You got one more, huh?
I think.
Or are y'all out?
I think I'm almost out. Maybe I am. Oh. Yep. Boop. 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 Oh.
Is that all 6?
Yep.
There you go.
All 6. But I gotta go back and reload it.
That's right.
Trying to close it. Yeah. Hey, Dad.
Yeah.
You gonna shoot yours next?
I am at. Well, no, I'm gonna let you keep shooting.
Whenever I want to take like a little break, you're gonna shoot yours.
Yep.
Cause I want YouTube to see you shoot yours.
Huh?
I want YouTube to see you shoot.
Oh,
yours.
they will. I'll shoot mine and I'll record it.
Yeah. Also, as the title says, it's Revolver O'Clock. Or revolver time. And 10:03 equals revolver, 10:43 equals Revolver O'Clock.
That's right.
Okay. I love shooting this revolver. It's one of my favorite guns Dad's gotten me. Yeah. And that's 6.
Let's
Okay.
go.
Hey.
Hey! That was a good one. You're doing good, son.
I think you gotta like aim a little more down to like hit your target because it yanks up.
Well, kinda.
Wait.
Hey, there you go.
And I aimed a little downward.
Well, you're finding your point of aim.
Did you hear that? YouTube! I'm finding my point of aim. And now wait, after this.
Oh, that's all 6.
Now the patches of the day section of Dude and Buster. On the front, we got Sonic with guns. I picked it because we were shooting guns. Hidden Cloud Smoke Bomb Ranch because it's cool and funny. And last, the Buster patch. Dad, you should have a dude patch.
Yep.
To wear on Dude and Buster.
Okay.
Yeah. I'll put my hat back on after we get over there. Because patches.
All right. You want Dad to shoot his?
Yep.
Okay.
Right after I unload mine.
Right.
Alright, YouTube, this time Dad's gonna shoot his. And then back to me. Like, I'll shoot 2 rounds and then Dad will shoot 1 round. How about that, Dad?
That's fine, son.
And now to watch Dad do that. Hey, Dad, can I put one in?
Yeah, here, take one.
Just let it fall in. I saw in Call of Duty they use like a special thing to get the shells out.
Yeah, they use moon clips or speed loaders, whatever it's called.
But you just turn it upside down.
Well, you gotta open it, and then you'd take your little moon clip or speed loader or whatever. You'd take it out, then you'd put it in, and then you'd close it.
Yeah.
Okay, and then I'll show you in a minute.
Okay, everyone. Now it's time for Dad to shoot his.
See if I can hit the target.
Whoa!
Not very good at revolvers.
Aim it like a tiny bit lower.
Oh, I shot all 6. I can't shoot revolvers with crap, son.
You still did good.
Oh, okay. So the way you empty your revolver, son, is you empty it.
Wait, I want to press the button and
you
do
slide it over,
and
then you turn it upside down.
Like,
Here, go ahead.
The button. Can you
No.
hold it? Yeah. Bang.
And then you do this,
And then they come out.
and they all come out at one time.
Cool. Now YouTube, that is cool. Okay. Now time for me to switch guns.
Now hold on, let me shoot one more time.
Okay.
See if I can hit it.
Yeah.
I'm not very good at shooting revolvers.
Can I like reload the other 5
What?
or other 4?
Here, go ahead.
1, 2.
You realize the camera is just pointed at your chest,
shoot.
right? The point of having a camera, son, is so that way people can see things.
4. Yeah. Sorry. Sorry, YouTube. Also, sorry if your parents are home and you're watching this on TV. Like, you gotta turn this down way a lot. Because Dad's revolver is loud. Bang. Bang.
Hey!
Yeah!
You go stand it up for me?
Yeah. Let's go stand it back up. Dad knocked it over. That is crazy. Huh? Oh, that's heavy. I'm gonna set you down, YouTube. YouTube, I'm gonna set you down. I think I know why it's like turning, because there's a twig under it. There, now it's all better.
We'll put the metal in front of it. There you go.
There you go. You're welcome. All right, YouTube, back to Dad. Let's see if he can do it again.
Probably not.
Yeah! Miss.
Hey, we gotta be mean and call out every time I miss for.
Cause I'll do it for me.
It's all 6.
You still did good. You hit it twice.
I did. 2 out of 4 ain't too bad, I guess. Or 2 out of 6 ain't too bad.
Yeah. 2 out of 6.
Technically, it's 2 out of 12 because I shot 12 times, so that really sucks.
Yeah, that's all right. But.
Just see if you can hit the target from here.
Wait, what? It's gonna be hard. I don't think I hit it.
It's all right. You're at the same distance. You're just at a different angle.
Yeah, it's hard to do it from a different angle.
Got to practice.
Yep. Okay, this is 2. So I'll keep 10 more bullets in my pocket.
You what?
I'll keep 10 more bullets in my pocket.
In your pocket.
Yeah, my
Oh.
pocket. Like, 1, 2, 4.
Are you picking up one at a time?
No, 2, 4. 2 at a time.
Oh.
6, 8.
Let me ask you something. Is the gun loaded?
Yeah.
Is it on safe?
No, not
So you need to put it on safe if it's loaded.
that. Like, pull that back. Yeah.
Yep. You need to make sure it's on safe if it's loaded.
8?
What?
I think I was on 8, and then 10. Okay. Now.
There you go.
Okay. Okay. After this shot, I'm going back over there. Okay. Oh, I did it!
See, I told you could hit it from here. You just got to practice.
Okay. You know what? Yeah, let's stay here.
It's all about practice, son.
All right. Take one from my pocket. Put it in there. All right, guys. So I'm trying to hit it again.
Hey!
Did it again!
2 in a row.
Get out of there!
You're doing a good job.
Yeah. I'd say. The thing you gotta do is you gotta point with the thing without the scoop, and then look at the scope.
Oh,
The sight.
we missed one. It's not bad.
Yeah. The thing is, you gotta like look without the scope. I mean sight, and then look with the sight.
Ah, okay.
That's what I do.
That's what you do?
Uh-huh.
Well,
Is it okay?
yeah, you're good, buddy. Oof.
Wow!
Boy, you'd kill you some squirrels like this.
I can.
You could, yeah. We go squirrel hunting whenever Dad gets out of the hospital.
I can kill squirrels.
If you have a license, yeah, we can go squirrel hunting.
How do I get a squirrel hunting license?
Well, you apply for it.
How do I?
Okay, or not. Whatever. That's fine.
Also, I want to like unload it too.
Close it.
Whenever it's
There you go. Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
Here, come here. Stand here. Oh, you stand right there. Don't get in front of me. Stand right there. Okay, you ready?
Yep.
All right, you tell me when we're going to shoot.
Wait. 3, 2,
Hold on.
1.
All right, go ahead.
3, 2, 1.
Ready?
Yep. 3, 2, 1.
Hey.
Oh, that was at the same
That was at the same time.
3, 2, 1.
Somebody hit it.
I think it was yours because your bullets probably go faster.
Oh,
because they're
okay.
bigger.
You ready?
Wait. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, I was too early. I'm sorry.
Okay. Now now I'm gonna say 1, 2, 3. Jackson shoot. 1, 2, 3. Dad shoot.
Okay.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Dad shoot. Whoa! That went in the water.
That's right, it did. How many you got left?
Right after this one, I'm gonna.
Oh, you hit it.
Wait, I
Good
did.
job. Okay, ready?
I don't know.
You ready?
Yep.
Ah, hit it.
This is probably one where I dropped.
That's it. We're all out.
Okay.
All right, come here.
Wait, I want to unload mine first.
Okay, unload yours first.
Wait. I'm gonna keep some of these shells.
What?
I'm gonna keep some of these.
Of course you do.
Because I like keeping the shells. Or casings. Whatever they're called. I don't really care what they're called. I like to keep them anyway.
That all 6?
Uh-huh.
All right, let me see.
Put them in my belly pocket.
Put this in your belly pocket too. It'll be all right for now.
Okay.
All right, so what you're going to do is you're going to hold this in your hand.
Hold this in
Your right hand.
Hold it in my right hand.
Okay. Take your thumb. Your other, or yeah, take whatever thumb you want. Press this
It'll
button,
be hard to reach.
and then roll this out with your other hand. Okay, now, nope, turn it up, turn it up,
Turn it up.
then press this.
Up they are. Some of them already fell out. Up.
There you go. You unloaded it.
There. And now to collect them.
You gonna keep some of them?
Yeah, I'm gonna collect them.
Okay.
I like collecting casings and shells. They're fun to collect.
Alright.
And Dad,
Okay.
because Grandma has a charger that can go with it.
We're done shooting. You gotta say goodbye to YouTube.
Bye, YouTube, and have a good day.